Hey everybody, this is Carson Wall again with Northeast State, and I'm here with a current student, but almost graduate and alumni, Kit Alexander. Kit, you and I met on the Blountville campus a couple of semesters ago. We had a few things in common, but we don't know a whole lot about each other. If you would, for me and for everybody watching, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so hello everybody. I'm Kit Alexander. I have a tremendous interest in weather and TV overall. So a while back, I decided to start attending college and stuff at Northeast State Community College. They offered several different TV college courses, and I wanted to kind of get my feet wet in that, and didn't even know exactly what all it would lead to until now. But it's actually led to a job in the field and everything. So it's really interesting. Of course, still working my way towards weather. Right now I'm working in production, but still hoping to eventually do weather and stuff in front of the green screen coming up a little bit later on, hopefully. So, and trying to think what else. Goodness, what all do I want to mention? I love steak. That's kind of a random fact.
No, I like random facts. I've got a few myself, but I want to ask, was your path to Northeast State linear? Did you come straight to Northeast State out of high school? Tell us a little bit about your path to getting to a community college.
Yeah, so my path was a little bit different. Usually, people go right from high school right into college. What I did is I actually pursued a previous degree, a bachelor's degree in religion. So I went that route first. I pretty much did go right from high school to college. But I also I always had an interest in TV, and in particular meteorology, since age 11, really since I experienced my first tornado warning. And that really sparked an interest. So doing TV or doing weather in front of the green screen has really been an interest since about age 11. So that's when I decided, I'm like, okay, as a few years passed and I got my previous degree, I've worked a little bit in different fields, for a while until I decided, I'm like, I still want to go back and do weather eventually in front of the green screen. And of course, looking at some of the courses and stuff of Northeast State, I mean, most of the TV courses were very good information and good courses I could apply towards my meteorology degree. So that's why I decided, I'm like, I'll go ahead and start there as a starting grounds and then work my way towards my bachelor's in meteorology.
The broadcast program has a lot, but I don't want to skip over this fact that you mentioned. At 11 years old, you had a tornado warning, and it excited you, and you wanted to go into weather. For most of people, Kid, I want to say that a tornado warning is going to make me get in my bathtub and then hide and then wait and then probably not look forward to the next opportunity for inclement weather. But you are quite the opposite. You ran right to it, and now you're pursuing a career path that will bring you even closer to those major weather events. You're working now for the local TV station?
I sure do, and work in production just behind the scenes, but I work with some great weather men as well, and weather people, and it's been very enjoyable. And definitely, it's my interest has just grown as time has went on.
I'm really confident that we will see you on the 5 o'clock news or the 7 o'clock news or the 9 o'clock news. There's a news, it seems like every hour anymore, for all the right reasons. And hopefully you'll be sharing the weather with us in this market. I do anticipate, though, with your passion and ability, that it'll take you to larger markets. I want to close with any closing thoughts that you have for those individuals who may have a unique interest. Maybe they went on to get their bachelor's degree in something else. Maybe they've worked for 20 or 30 years in a particular discipline, but they want to change course. You're a great example of someone who changed course. What recommendations would you have for them?
Yeah, I would definitely highly recommend Northeast State. Just get out there and try it. Sometimes when you get locked into a job or career path that you don't really like, sometimes it's kind of hard to make those type of jumps. But I would at least just say take the first step. Take a look at it. Maybe just take a moment one day and look online at Northeast State and see exactly what all of the programs and stuff are available, because there's everything. There's good trade. They teach trade courses. I think I even read now that they teach stuff in as far as like airplanes. There's different career paths there and stuff too for the interest. And of course, me going into meteorology, that would be even one of my side interests, because I love actually just looking at all the different data and stuff, and that's how all the data is produced, with stuff we have to launch up into the sky. So it's pretty fun. But I would just say take the first step, just jump out there and give it a try.
Kit, thanks for the plug for the college. I do think it provides great opportunities, 150 programs of study. I don't know that we've produced any weathermen or weatherwomen for that matter, but I will look forward to seeing your progress. I hope to keep in touch, and I'm going to keep your cell phone number on hand just so I can know what the real forecast is going to be.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'll definitely try to give an accurate forecast when I do.
Best of luck to you. Keep in touch, and thanks for taking out a little time with us.
Absolutely.